Feeling stuck searching for work-from-home jobs that don't require long applications or phone interviews? I get it. I've been there. Frustrated, burned out, unsure what would actually work. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 of the easiest remote jobs that you can start this week. No degree, no Zoom calls, no complicated software. Whether you're a parent working around nap time, a student in need of income, or just someone who wants to escape the traditional 9-to-5, this list is for you. Here's the thing. Not everyone wants a loud, sales-heavy remote job. Some of us want simple, quiet work we can do at our own pace. These jobs are perfect if you're making a career pivot, just getting started, or want something that fits around your life, not the other way around. Before we dive in, make sure to grab your free Smart ER Job Search Guide. It's a starter kit packed with practical tools like a job search checklist, resume prep tips, and an online job search cheat sheet. Whether you're starting fresh or updating your strategy, this guide will help you stay focused, organized, and ready to land flexible remote work. Job number 1, Clickworker, Microtasks platform. Let's start simple. Clickworker pays you for completing tiny online tasks, like categorizing images, verifying data, or writing short product descriptions. It's 100% remote, and you choose what you work on and when. Example breakdown. You might get a task asking you to tag images for an AI system. It takes 3 minutes and pays 50 cents. Do 20 of those in an hour and you've made $10. Some users earn up to $15 per hour depending on the project volume and speed. How to start? Go to clickworker.com, create your account, complete a short assessment, and start claiming tasks. No resume needed. Job number 2, ModSquad community and chat support. If you enjoy chatting or moderating forums, ModSquad lets you work with popular brands, handling community management, customer support, or social media moderation. Most shifts are chat-only and fully remote. Example breakdown. Let's say you moderate a gaming forum. You'll approve comments, help with questions, or report violations, all behind the scenes. No phone calls, no camera, just consistent typing and a calm workspace. How to start? Head to modsquad.com/careers. Look for remote moderator roles, especially under night or part-time filters. Pay starts around $12 per hour and can go higher based on experience. Job number 3, Cambly, Conversational English Tutor. If you can hold a casual conversation in English, Cambly will pay you to chat with students from all over the world. No teaching degree or lesson planning required. Why it works? You're not lecturing. You're just having friendly conversations to help others practice English. It's great for late-night work because many students are in different time zones. How to start? Go to cambly.com/tutors. Record a short intro video, share your availability, and once approved, you can start tutoring. Pay is $10.20 per hour and up. Job number 4, Remotasks AI training tasks. Remotasks pays you to train artificial intelligence. You'll do things like label objects and images, outline shapes, or categorize short videos. It's repetitive but simple work, and very beginner-friendly. Example, breakdown. You might see a photo of a street and be asked to outline cars. That data trains AI systems for self-driving vehicles. Each task pays a few cents, but they add up fast. How to start? Visit Remotasks.com. Complete the short training modules, and once you pass, you'll unlock paid tasks. Pay ranges from $5 to $15 per hour depending on task complexity. Job number 5, Rev, Transcription and Captioning. If you're a fast typer and good with detail, Rev is a solid place to start earning by transcribing audio. You'll type out podcasts, interviews, or videos, all from home, all on your own time. Why it works? No meetings, no speaking, just listen, type, and submit. You can even pause or rewind the audio as you work, making it perfect for introverts or night workers. How to start? Apply at rev.com/freelancers. Take a short grammar and transcription test. Once approved, you'll get access to paid files. Payouts range from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. So far, we've covered jobs that are flexible, require no degree, and can be started almost immediately. And the best part? You control your schedule. But we're only halfway through. If this is helpful, let's take a second to talk about something that'll help you even more. Quick break! Which of these 5 jobs would you try first? Drop it in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. And don't forget to grab your free Smart ER job search guide below. It's packed with job search checklist, beginner scripts, and bonus tips I couldn't fit in this video. ModSquad wrap-up, shift reminder. So if you're a strong communicator, enjoy typing, and want to support online communities without being on the phone, ModSquad is a solid place to start. And the best part? They often have evening and overnight shifts, making it perfect for night owls or side hustlers balancing other responsibilities. Give it a look and apply with a resume that highlights communication, patience, and digital confidence. Job number 6. User testing, website tester. User testing pays you to visit websites and give feedback. You don't need to be techie. Just speak your thoughts out loud while navigating the site. You'll get paid per test, and many take just 15 to 20 minutes. Why it's easy? There's no webcam, no personal judgment, just honest reactions to a user experience. It's a great entry point into UX testing. How to start? Sign up at UserTesting.com. Get paid to test. You'll do a sample test, and once approved, you'll start receiving paid invites. Most tests pay $10 each. Some go up to $60. Job number 7. Textbroker freelance writing. If you enjoy writing or want to improve, Textbroker pays you to write short articles for websites and blogs. No professional experience required. Why? It's beginner friendly. You pick your articles, write at your own pace, and get better as you go. You're rated on your sample, and better ratings equal more money. How to start? Go to textbroker.com, scroll to I write content, pick your country, and upload a writing sample. If accepted, you'll start right away. Pay ranges from 1 cent to 5 cents per word. Job number 8. Scribie, audio transcription. Scribie is another transcription platform, ideal if you prefer bite-sized tasks. You'll transcribe short clips, interviews, podcasts, short calls. Why it's easy? They offer automated transcripts you can edit, which saves time. Plus, it's completely async. You pick your files, work when you want, and get paid weekly. How to start? Visit Scribie.com and apply as a transcriber. Pass the sample test and get access to paid files. Most pay $5 to $20 per audio hour. Job number 9. InboxDollars/Swagbucks surveys and tasks. If you're looking for extra cash, InboxDollars or Swagbucks let you earn by answering surveys, watching videos, or testing apps. It won't replace a full-time income, but it's easy, instant, and requires zero experience. Why it's good starter work. Perfect if you're easing into remote work or multitasking while watching TV. Great for students, caregivers, or even during commutes. How to start? Sign up at InboxDollars.com or Swagbucks.com. Start with the highest paying surveys or cashback offers. Expect $1 to $5 per hour for light engagement. Job number 10. Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. Last on our list, Amazon MTurk. It's a crowdsourcing platform where you complete simple human intelligence tasks, like data validation, surveys, or short classification jobs. Why it's easy. You control which tasks you accept. Most take just minutes to complete. While the pay per task is low, experienced workers can stack quick tasks to earn more. How to start? Go to MTurk.com and apply as a worker. Once approved, browse and claim tasks. Earnings vary, but most start with light work around $8 to $15 per hour. That's 10 remote jobs you can literally start this week. From tagging photos to tutoring English, you now have a toolbox of flexible options you can use immediately. Still unsure where to begin? Download the Smarter Job Search Guide below. It walks you through tools, boards, and bonus strategies we couldn't fit in here. It's free and proven to help job seekers stay focused and land real remote roles. Quick check-in. Which of these jobs would you try first? Comment below and let me know what's working for you. And if you haven't yet, grab your free guide. It includes job trackers and outreach scripts you can plug and use. Bonus tool, JobScan Resume Optimizer. Let's talk about tools that help you get hired faster. First up, JobScan. This free tool compares your resume to job descriptions and gives you an optimization score. Why it helps. Many hiring systems filter resumes based on keyword matches. With JobScan, you'll know exactly what to tweak so your application doesn't get skipped over. Canva Resume Templates. Next is Canva, perfect if you want your resume to stand out without learning design software. Why it helps. You'll find dozens of free resume templates you can customize in minutes. No downloads needed. Clean, modern, and way better than plain Word docs. How to start? Head to canva.com, search resume templates, pick one, and customize it in your browser. Export as PDF and you're ready to apply. Resume.io, professional resume builder. Want a fast professional resume without the hassle? Resume.io is an easy-to-use builder that helps you create polished, ATS-friendly resumes in just minutes. Why it's helpful. You can start from a template, fill in your info, and export a PDF. No design skills needed. It's perfect for remote jobs that need clean, keyword-optimized layouts. Google Alerts for job leads. Want job leads delivered to your inbox daily? Set up Google Alerts for terms like remote data entry or no experience job. You'll get listings without hunting for them. Grammarly, application editing. Need help with emails or cover letters? Grammarly fixes spelling, grammar, and tone, and helps you sound more confident and clear. Why it works. Great for non-native speakers or anyone who wants to polish their applications fast. Toggle Track time management. Working from home can feel like chaos. Toggle Track helps you stay focused by tracking tasks, blocking distractions, and creating structure in your day. Why it helps. It's perfect for freelancers, side hustlers, and remote workers juggling multiple roles. Let's recap. 10 beginner-friendly remote jobs and 5 powerful tools you can use to start earning, without burnout or complicated tech. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and grab your free Smart ER job search guide. Nail the Next Step is here every week to help you build flexible, remote-friendly income, one smart step at a time. Want to try the tools I mentioned? Check the links in the description. Most are free or offer bonuses when you sign up using our links. Thanks for watching. Next up, remote jobs that pay weekly or explore our playlist of quiet jobs and smart job search tips. Take your next step with clarity and keep building toward freedom on your terms. You've got this.